What up, y'all? It's Taxable. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to go over how to get rid of errors in VLOOKUP formulas. So, I'm going to show you how to do it two different ways. I'm going to show you how to remove the errors and keep the VLOOKUP formula, as well as how to get rid of the VLOOKUP formula and remove the errors. So, we'll do the easy way first. We'll get rid of the formula and remove the errors. So, the easiest way to do that is to just grab your data. And as you can see, this is just a sample P&L that I put together. And I have my expense data down here, and I have a VLOOKUP pulling in my totals from another spreadsheet. So as you can see, I have some NAs here because these categories don't exist on my other sheet. So anyway, we're going to highlight all of my cells under my expenses that have the VLOOKUP formula in it. We're just going to copy it. We're going to click on Paste Special, click on Values, and the formula is gone, as you can see. So now if you have a ton of these, obviously you could do this manually, but if you want to get rid of it quicker, just highlight everything, hit Control F for find and replace. Once you do that, you want to type in your #N/A. You want to replace with 0 to replace them with zeros, or you can replace them with blank. It doesn't matter. I'll put the zeros in, hit replace all. And that's how you get rid of them, by removing the formula. Okay, so the formula is gone and we have all zeros. Now let's go back and let's keep our VLOOKUP formula, but get rid of the NAs. So how you want to do that is, I'll click on the very first cell. We need to add in an if error formula. So I'll type in if error, open parenthesis. So now my VLOOKUP formula is my value. So that's finished. I'll hit comma. And now this is basically saying, what do you want to replace the errors with? So here is where you can put, if you want to replace it with nothing, you just do the double quotation marks. If not, you can do a 0, close your parenthesis, and copy it down. And that's it. And as you can see, it added up. So my VLOOKUP formula is still in here, but as you can see, I added an if error formula to it, and I replaced it with 0. Or like I said, if you didn't want to replace it with 0, I could take out the 0 and do my double quotation mark, and then replace my zeros or my NAs with nothing. All right. So that's it. Please like, subscribe, follow for more. All right. Take care.